on. Right now I am going to my father for giving him food because he has gone at other house for doing work. So he's really thirsty and hungry. That's why I'm going to my father to give him food. It is 9 a.m. Okay, so that's why he is really hungry because he had gone in the morning around 6 a.m. So he is doing work at other house. My father is a daily laborer. He do work, and I feel proud that I was born in my family, and my father is really hardworking person. He hard work. End of the day, he will get more than 400 taka. Then they will lead our family. So like this, my father he do hard work, and I have to help my father to improve and to enhance our family. So right now I am going to my father. Okay.